Today we're going to be talking about asteroid belt, and this is my space diorama. Before we get anywhere started, we're going to first talk about my diorama. We have some planets here, we have sun, we have asteroids, and we also have some rocket ships. So now, let's begin. What is an asteroid? An asteroid is mostly made out of rock, but it can have nickel, iron, gold, and ice. And asteroids are not round shape; they're rock shape, like the rocks that are in Earth. A size of asteroid are as small as a dust particle or as big as 1,000 kilometers. Millions of asteroids in space, but most of them live in the asteroid belt. It is between Mars and Jupiter. Speaking about asteroid belt, let's talk about asteroid belt. An asteroid belt is in the middle of the solar system, and that goes around like sun. It is going around by the sun, and it's also in between Mars and Jupiter. So this is the asteroid belt. An asteroid belt is a divider. It divides gassy planets. These are gassy planets and rock planets. So it separates gassy planets and rock planets. There's lots of asteroids, but asteroids are very far from each other. In the picture, you might say an asteroid is close to each other, but they're actually far from each other. But sometimes asteroids can be closer to each other, and then they will both collide to each other. And when they collide, those small dust pieces will make another asteroid. Or if it's near the Earth, some of the dust pieces will fall into Earth. Who knew some dust are from space? So how was this asteroid formed? Some people think when our planets collided, there were some dust particles from them, and that made the asteroid. But some people think when our solar system or galaxy was formed, there were some leftover pieces, and then they made an asteroid. Different people have different thoughts. An asteroid belt is 4.4 billion years old. It was created when the solar system was created. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 crossed the asteroid belt. And then they went from the rocky planet to the gassy planet. And no asteroids collided with the spaceship, with Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Asteroids do not have a gravity. They're not like our planet. Ceres is the biggest asteroid in the asteroid belt. It is so big that it's called a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is something that is not a planet, but that is so big, it's called a dwarf planet. So, do you think all asteroids are visible to Earth? Actually, no. All asteroids are not visible to Earth. There's one asteroid called Vesta. Vesta is the second biggest asteroid in the asteroid belt, and that is an asteroid that you could see with your naked eye at night. So what if asteroids escape from the belt and go to Earth? Well, there's changes that might also happen. If they try to go to the Earth's atmosphere, some of them might burn down, or some of them might change their path and go to a different direction. About every single day, Earth gets hit by an asteroid, and so some of them get hit by an asteroid and some of them break down by the Earth's atmosphere. In the past, Earth was hit by the asteroid 66 million years ago when the dinosaurs were there. So this asteroid was so big that it was even bigger than Mount Everest. It was so big that it caused the dinosaurs to extinct. This is all about asteroid and asteroid belts.